Welcome back guys. As promised earlier, in this video I'll be telling you about some attributes. Now what an attribute is, it's just an additional information that you need to pass inside a tag so that it can work properly. Now I just said something that is really exciting. I mean that if you have a body tag, let's say, okay, first of all I'll just remove this from our last video. So you have a body tag, right? Now, what this body does, like, is this just a useless tag? Can I even use for anything else? Can I make any, like, is this body tag even useful other than just telling that I am just making something for my body? Well, yes, it is. Till now, we have been working only on white backgrounds, but in this video, I'll be telling you how you can have some other backgrounds. Absolutely fine. So, what I'll do is hit an enter before closing my body. So it's like you open your body right here, you open your body, then you write your body, give it a space, and then you can start writing your attributes. Now to give a color, yes, you heard me right, to give a color you need to write an attribute called as BGCOLOR. Oops, COLOR. So probably you are if you go to school, then it's like COLOUR, right? So that just doesn't work in computer science. So it's COLOR. Just remember that is equal to, then you need to open and close this, and inside you need to write the name of the color. So there are some predefined colors, otherwise you need to write the hexadecimal codes. Now I'll tell you what hexadecimal codes are, but first of all, let's just start with a color like green. It's a pretty cute color, isn't it? And I'll just make a heading tag. Okay, and I'll say Shubham is cool. Let me just know whether you think the same as I do. So I just wrote Shubham is cool. I'll save this and I'll open my Chrome up. Whoa, isn't that just cool? It says Shubham is cool and it gives a green background. Oh my goodness, pretty sweet, huh? Now, after writing this, if you're thinking, okay, then how am I even supposed to change the color? Because let's imagine I want this to be black, right? Come here, refresh this. Okay, my text is still there, but probably no one can see this, right? So how am I even supposed to do? So there are some colors like red, you have, I guess, orange is also there. Let's just try. Yeah, it is there. Now if you just give it some other color, like we are familiar with, something like what's good color? Dark green. Yeah, dark green. Come and save. You just see this gives magenta, I guess. And is this dark green? Am I colorblind or something like that? Or is HTML a fool that it's giving me this? Well, neither of them are fool. They're just converting it into a hexadecimal code. Now what a hexadecimal code is, you need to give a hash, and then there are 6 colors: R, G, and B. So this tells what should be the value. Let's start by writing for R. So R, let's imagine we need no of R. How much do we need green? Let's imagine we need 80 parts of green and we need 20 parts of blue. Let me save this, come here and refresh this. Okay, this makes somewhat green because largely was green. Now if I make this to be like 20% this and 10% this should at least give me some other color. Yeah, it gives me a very dull type of green. So you can just see it's pretty cool. You can even include numbers from A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah, those are the only numbers available. Let's see what this is. Sweet, it gives a bluish tint. Okay, it's cool, yeah. So this is how you are supposed to give attributes, and this is pretty cool. In the next video, we'll be learning how you can change the color of the text. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye everyone. See you in the next video.